In this video, I will show you how to replace your Cash App card or order a new one with a different design. So to get started, open Cash App on your device. Then click on the option to view your balance. Now, if you have never ordered a Cash App card before, you will see the option to request your first card. Your first Cash App card is typically free, while replacement cards may include a small fee depending on the type of card you choose. Now, if your current card has been lost or stolen, it is always a good idea to lock it before ordering a replacement. This helps prevent unauthorized purchases while you wait for your new card to arrive. Next, click the card options on the home page. You will be able to browse the available card designs, including standard and premium options. Then, after selecting a design, you can personalize your card by adding a signature or other available customization options. Once you're happy with your design, tap Order Card. Then confirm your shipping address. Choose your preferred shipping method and review your order details before submitting your request. Then, after your order is confirmed, Cash App will process it and mail your new card. Once it arrives, simply activate it in the app, and you can begin using it for purchases anywhere Visa is accepted. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.